Good day everyone! Today we are going to present our topic about the Biniray Festival.
Our presentation will discuss the origin, history, tradition, cultural practices, and the significance of the Biniray Festival.
I am Jenner Miggs L. Migrino.
And I am Ronald I. Kinatadgan.
Let's begin! The Biniray Festival is a colorful, cultural and religious celebration in Romblon, Philippines. It is held in honor of the Santo Niño de Romblon.
The festival includes different activities such as religious processions, music, dancing, parades, and community celebration. One of its major highlights is the Fobial procession, where the image of the Santo Niño is carried by boat.
The Biniray Festival has a long history connected to the devotion of the people of Romblon to the Santo Niño.
It is important because it represents the faith, culture, and tradition of the local community. It also brings families and different members of the communities together.
Through music, dancing, religious activities, and celebrations, the people are able to preserve their culture and share it with younger generations.
There are several cultural practices during the Biniray Festival.
First is the traditional rituals and religious activities, which show the people's devotion and respect for the Santo Niño.
Second is community participation. Local residents actively participate in the different activities of the festival.
This is music and dance, which create an energetic atmosphere and express the cultural identity of the people.
Lastly, there are culinary tradition, where families prepared and share special foods during the celebration.
The historical roots of the Biniray Festival are closely connected to the history and devotion surrounding the Santo Niño de Romblon.
One of the important traditions is the Fobial procession, where the image of the Santo Niño is carried by boat around Romblon Bay.
Over the years, the festival has developed and become a major celebration while still maintaining its religious and cultural traditions.
The Biniray Festival has a strong historical significance because it represents the heritage and tradition of Romblon.